Dear viewers and listeners of Maddani channel, many people cry for poverty. Who amongst us does not want a good fortune in his house and in his wealth? Let me tell you a way that if you do it, your house and your possessions all will be blessed. A person came to Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam and complained, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I am very poor. He complained about his poverty and his tight hand. Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam told him that when you enter your house, if there is someone, then greet him. And if there is no one, then you must send durood and salutation upon me. And then after that, recite Surah Ikhlas once. Dear viewers, that person did so. So Almighty Allah made him so rich that he served his neighbors as well. Also Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that whoever wishes that Almighty Allah may increase the good in his house, he should perform ablution, he should make wuzu when the food is served to him, and he should perform wuzu when the food is lifted up. Performing wuzu before eating does not mean performing wudu like you perform for salah. It means that you must wash your both hands up to the wrist and wash the front part of the mouth and rinse your mouth before eating. That is a wudu, and that is what is meant by the wudu of the food. Dear viewers, if you make it your habit, inshallah, poverty will be removed from your house. You will become independent, inshallah. You will not depend on anyone else, inshallah.